Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see, that level here, how is it? It's still very stronger. So what else we said in the last video, guys, here about that level, zoom it a little bit like that. What else we said the market here, he gave us here a pin bar like that. It's very clear like that. And down here, same thing here, it just came to the green candle like that. So that one is a pin bar. And here in the daily, it hasn't break up and it hasn't break down. So here in the daily, there is nothing yet confirmed, guys. Here in the daily, we still in sideways market, guys. And even if you go to lower time frames, you're going to find it give you here like a triangle or something like that. But also here we analyze in the daily, guys. So there is nothing confirmed here in the daily. I think everything is too clear, guys. So now from here, either to go back up or from here to go back down. Also now we are in sideways market, guys. And we'll make the Bitcoin to fall down from that level here. Till here is the news which is came today, guys. Me personally, I think it's going to break, but the news, it came very, very negative, and it's indicating there is a falling down. That's what me I've been telling you guys. And by the way, today the MFI, it said there is a global recession in the doors. That's what me I've been telling you. And the UN, in the past videos, I used to tell you the war on all the USA to stop increasing interest rate. Today, they warn all the central banks in the world. To find it, you just go to Wall Street newspaper and you're going to find it, guys. So now us, we're still in very, very, very bad moment, guys. And here, as you see it, guys, look with me here, what you seeing, guys. It's a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it, guys. Even here it used to come to it, then it fall down. Now you are in it again. Now I think now we are going to go down, but let's wait in the coming days for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Because now either from here to go up or from here to go down. So now for long term, should you buy, should not? For investors, guys, not yet, guys. Still very, very, very early. Look at it. That the trend line I told you guys hasn't even came to it. It needs to come and to break it here. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter, guys. It might from here to go back down, guys, and to break for us that last low which is here. That's why me I told you us we waiting the moment, guys. We are not just came and throwing our money. That the difference between amateurs and professional traders, guys. When we enter, we know where we enter and why we enter. That the difference, guys. Amateurs, they just watching some videos online. Some people they never ever trade. They told them enter long at the bottom, blah 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 blah. It's not yet, guys. It's not yet. Remember my word. Everything is too clear here, guys. Now let's go into show you the news, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here it is, the news, guys, and the news as you see it. Let me show it to you. Is it that one? That one of USA? Initial jobless claim that when people will lose their job and they claiming to get the benefit that in the first world, because if you losing your job, you being working. And I think even in third world, if you being paying insurance and those things, when you losing your job, you claiming for benefits. Me, I used to work and I losing my job. So the number is getting higher, guys. As you see, the previous month, it used to be 190K. This month is at 219K, guys. That meant the plan of the Fed, it's working, guys. So the unemployment rate we're going to come in Friday is going to come positive. Let's make it like that, because the number is going to be higher. Because what that meant, look at it, from 190 till 219, guys, the number of people they losing their job is getting more higher and higher. And that's what the Fed said. They said the target for them to stop increasing interest rate, it needs to be 4.4, guys. We haven't reached it, guys. It's still more. So that's why also we're telling you it's not yet for long term, guys. For long term is not yet. For day traders, swing trader, yes, you can catch in some profit, but for long term, not yet, guys. Remember my word. And here, our friend, guys, what it's saying, here, that one of us, every time us we follow it, that one, because that table, you need always to put it in front of your eyes and to put CNBC or Bloomberg in the TV if you are a professional trader. That's the job of you, because CNBC and Bloomberg, they bring you for you the hot news. And here the table, that one, just go and open a free account with them with investing.com, and here they show you all the market, what it's doing, guys. Look at it, what the VIX saying here, guys. Where we been yesterday? In the last video we been 28. Now where we are going, guys? We are going to 30, guys. Are very close to 30. I think when the daily candle closes, it's going to become 30, guys. The dollar index, what it's doing, guys. Look at it, it's going to 112 again. That was me. I told you in that things is going to come down to touch what was the uptrend, then after that it's going to go higher. That's what it did exactly, guys. The US dollar, I don't want to show it to you for the video don't be too long. And here, if you remember, guys, in Monday, what did I told you? People, they follow me. Please smash the like button. No one can give you analysis like that. What me I told you in Monday, guys? What did I told you on Monday? I told it being all of them green here. And what did I told you me? I told if you go now to Bloomberg and CNBC, you're going to find a green day, blah, 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 blah. What happened here? Everything, it's become red, guys. British pound, actually me, I make very nice profit from it. Those 2 days will pass. It came to that peak. Me, I enter in it short. I make very nice profit on it. So here, what is it, the view, guys? It's still down more. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Here, our indicator, guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Us every day, guys, we put in for you 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefiting from all those things free, my friend. You don't need to pay nothing. Everything is free, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So as you see, guys, here at our indicator, look at that. Here, and it came here, it touch it again. And here it's showing a rejection, guys. Now, what is it, the view? I tell it to you before, us we are here in the middle, we don't do nothing, guys. Either to break for us up or to break for us down, guys. Us here, we are in the middle, guys. There is nothing. Over here, the buyers and the sellers, they are equal, guys. No one of them is winning. Everything is too clear here, guys. So for long term, you need to still wait, guys. Wait, my friend. Wait the opportunity to come to you. Don't chase the opportunity. Everything is too clear here, guys. Now let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, I know you are a subscriber to our channel. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Helping us, guys. Smashing the like button, writing for us a comment. Without you, we can't be here, guys. That channel, it's here because of you guys, helping us, guys, just by smashing the like button, writing for us down comment, and if you could share it in social media, that if you could, guys, you done it, my friend. Thank you very much, and thanks to all those ones that helping us, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, if you remember what else we said here about it. It goes here at divergence, and we show you all those things in previous videos. But should we enter, guys? Not yet. Because yes, also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, and our indicator is at the oversold area, because that one is just an oscillator, guys. Should you enter in it? No. How are you going to enter? The price action, guys. The price action, where is it? Yes, it give you here, in that zone here, a smaller head and shoulder. And that one we said is going to go just till here. And that's what it did exactly now. But the long-term price action, guys, is it that one? That trend line here. It haven't even came to it, guys. So should you buy now? No, my friend. Not yet. It's still very early here in the daily, guys. I tell it to you. That one is just an oscillator, guys. It might from here to fall down more, guys. Look at it here. Here in that zone. Let me show it to you. Here in that zone, where it started the enter into oversold. Here. Till where? Till here. That one is just an oscillator, guys. Look how many you lose here if you enter here. From the oversold and overbought. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 4 hours, guys, to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. And in the 4 hours, the last video, what did I told you here? Here? I told you are in a very stronger level. And where we been before all that's happening here, guys? I told you, look at here at the 200 moving average, that candle, what it give you here. It zoom it here, guys. Look at that candle here. The one here, what it give you here? It give you a very nice pin bar in the 200 moving average, guys. What that indicating here? That it's indicating that 200 moving average here, it's become like a support. Yes or no? Because look at it. It's breaking. It came down to it. So in the normal trading, guys, when a support getting broke or when a resistance getting broke, it's need to become like a support. That's what happened here. But for you to know is a real breakout, not a fake breakout, guys. It needs the market to come to break for you the last high, which is here. Look what happened here. It came till here. It couldn't. It go back here, guys. Yes or no? So what that indicating to you guys? It might that one just a fake breakout, guys. Or another story. It might from here it just resting, guys. Then after that it's going to go up. How you going to know is it resting or no? It just came here, guys. It's going to give you here like a flag like that. So when it give you a flag like that, then that one to come and to break for you that last high, which is here. You know the market it will go higher, guys. Tell now what the market showing, guys. It fell down till here, but here look at that candle here. What it's showing here? It's showing a big rejection from down, guys. Man, there's still buyers here. They waiting, guys, to buy. Now how else we are going to know if that one is an uptrend or not? It's very simple, guys. Very, very, very simple. You wait in the market to close above that level. If it close above that level, it's going to go higher more than that. And if it came down, I'm breaking for you the 200 moving average, guys. That 200 moving average here. What is going to give you? A double top, guys. A double top, guys. So now, should you buy? Should you sell? Not yet, my friend, not yet. There is nothing clear yet. As you see it, he couldn't break the high and he couldn't break the low of the double top, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into our indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here, our indicator, guys, what it's saying. The chart, it's showing that two peaks here, they are equal. Here, our indicator, what it's saying, guys. It says something different. Look at it. That last peak, it's high. That one, it's low. Here in our indicator, what is giving you, guys? Look at it. Low, high, and now he giving you another low. Our indicator is telling you are in a downtrend, guys. Should you buy? Should you sell? Not yet, guys. You need to wait in that M we got in the chart to be broken and to break for you the 200 moving average, guys. That one, it might just came here to that wall here. Then after that, it will show a rejection. It will go to the overbought area, guys. It's still very early, guys, for you to enter short and for you to enter long here in the 4 hours. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go into our other indicator, what it's saying, guys. By the way, my friend, did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment, helping us, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. And now let's go into our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. That one here, as you see it, guys. What it's saying here. We're at the overbought area, guys. You can't enter at this time. Overbought area, it's too dangerous for you to enter. What we got else here and what I told you yesterday. Here and here. We're connecting those dots, guys. We just came here to that last peak here and we're connecting those dots like that. And what did I told you? Got here a triangle, guys, like that. It's very clear. I told you if it's breaking here, the top here, enter long. What that going to tell us is going to break for us that level us we got here, guys. Did it break it? Not yet, guys, because if it's breaking that level for you, look at that. I show you that one. I tell you got a cup and handle, guys. If it's breaking here, it's going to go till here, till that level here. Did it break in here in the 4 hours, guys? Not yet, guys. Trading, it wants from you discipline and passion, guys. You need to wait in the opportunity to come to you, guys. Don't try to enter from anywhere and throw your money. If you try to enter from anywhere, it's like you open your window and you throw in the money to the street, guys. You need to wait in the opportunity. That's how we trade, guys. Everything is too clear here, guys. So what you need to do, guys, here. Our indicator here is showing us we are at the overbought area, guys. We need to look only for short opportunities. Where is the price action for the short opportunity, guys? Is it that one? That double top? Did it complete? Not yet, guys. It needs to come to break for us that 200 moving average. If it's breaking, that means us we're going to go lower, guys. Everything is too clear here, guys. So now let's go into 30 minutes, guys, to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, the last video, what did I told you here? The market it give you here a head and shoulder. And I told you if it's breaking here, enter long. Did it break? No, my friend. And what it give you here? Look at it. What it give you here? Give you a head and shoulder, a down hand and shoulder, guys. Did it break in the lower of it? Yes, my friend. It's breaking lower, my friend. But that one of us, it's near to the overbought area, guys. Look at it. It's very close to the overbought area. And what the market giving you here? Look at it. That double top. As we said in the 4 hours, guys. Should you enter short? No, my friend. It hasn't break the lower here. And here, if you came here like that and you connecting those dots like that and like that, guys, what's it giving you? It giving you here a wedge or a triangle, guys. So now also what we need to look here, we are too close to the buy, guys. I need to try to find here a buy opportunity, guys. Should we buy? Not yet, guys. It needs to come to break for us here. It's much from here just to stay ranging here or sideways here. Then after that it's going to drop or stay sideways here. Then after that it will go up. It needs the 4 hours to give us the clear picture, guys, before you enter here in 30 minutes. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you after the daily candle finished, guys. Bye for now, guys.